All right, my friends, well, we will go ahead and get started with our calendar today. Let me go ahead and pull that up for us. All right. Here we go.
January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Ooh, friends, let's listen to that one again. And when you hear the month that we're in right now, put your thumb up nice and high so we can see it. Ready? Listen carefully.
January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Great singing. I saw lots of thumbs go up for August. All right, friends, who can raise their hand and tell us what day it is today? Let's see. Oops, let me get all of our screen ready. Melanie, do you want to tell us?
Thursday.
Today is Thursday, and do you know what the date is? The number?
27.
Thursday the 27th. You are correct. And are we going to put a blue circle or a green square, Melanie?
A blue circle.
Signal if you agree. I agree too. Great job.
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday.
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday.
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
All right, friends, let's keep going. So we are counting to the 100th day of school. Yesterday was the 20th day. So who can raise their hand and tell us how many days we've been in school now? Let's see. Sunbright?
21.
21. And what color will we put on 21, Sunbright?
Green.
A green circle. Signal if you agree. All right, friends, so we have 20 here, and we need to make 21. So we have 2 groups of 10, and we'll add 1 more. All right, friends, and ooh, we get to start a new 10 frame today. So exciting. And we will add 1 more to our 10 frame. Let's double check and make sure, because all good mathematicians check their work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All good. I saw lots of you counting along. Great job. And we will put our little square on 21. All right, friends, who can look outside and tell us what our weather is like today? Graciela, can you tell us what our weather is like today? But remember to unmute, Graciela. We still can't hear you.
Cloudy.
Cloudy, signal if you agree. I agree, it is very cloudy today. And that's it for our calendar. Great job. All right, friends, we will go ahead and do our attendance stick. So we know that when all the friends in our class are here, we have 16 people. Let's see how many are here today. We have Andrea, and we have Junior, and we have Gradis, and Aremi. And friends, you can make the attendance stick at home with your Unifix cubes if you would like. We have Farisinai and Aldo. Nice picture, Aldo. And we have Lean. Oh, I see Lean making hers. Great job. Graciela. And Allison. One for Jasmine. One for Sunbright. And one for Melanie. So let's see how many friends we have here today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. We have 12 friends here today. So is everyone here with us today? Nope, we are missing 1, 2, 3, 4 friends. Great job counting with me today. Let's go ahead and, I want to share our attendance with you guys. Here we go. All right, friends, so we know that we have 16 friends in our class. Ooh, here's someone joining us. We have 12 students here today, and 4 people are absent. All right, my friends, so we are going to talk about our shapes again, and I almost forgot to bring them over. Give me just a second. Thanks for waiting, friends. So we are going to talk a little bit about our attribute blocks. And I know you guys remember these. We saw a lot of different things in here. So let's talk about some of our different attributes of our blocks that we have. So what is something that you notice about these blocks? What do you notice? Sunbright?
The shapes.
They're of shapes. So I'm going to make this chart up here about our attribute blocks. That's a big word. Thank you guys for being so patient. So one thing that we noticed is that they are of shapes. So we have some circles, some rectangles, some hexagons, and some triangles. What else did you notice about them? Jasmine?
They're big.
There's some big ones, so we noticed the size, because let's look at this one compared to this one. Is this one big? No, so there's different sizes. That's a great observation. Some big, some small. What else do we notice? Faris and I? Oh, remember to unmute yourself.
They're not the same colors.
Yeah, there's different.
They're not the same.
There's different colors. Great job. So we have some red, some blue, and some yellow. I'll quickly draw these for us. Some blue and some yellow. There's one more thing that I noticed. Graciela, did you notice something else?
A lot of shapes I know.
Yep, there's lots of shapes that we know. Do you guys remember we talked about the thickness? We have some that are thick like this and some that are thin, almost like paper. So we have the thickness is another way that we could look at our attribute blocks. So we have thick and we have thin. All right, my friends. So I know that we played the game with the attribute blocks on the computer where we tried to find all of the circles or all of the hexagons or all of the yellow ones or all of the small ones. But today we're going to play that game, but making matches. So let me share my screen with you so you guys can see too. So I'm going to pick a shape and I'm wondering if Miss Du Bois could help me find a match. And you guys are gonna have to decide if it is a match or if it is not a match. And remember, a match can be the same shape, the same color, the same size, and they're all the same thickness on the computer, so we won't count that one. I'm going to choose a big blue circle. Miss Du Bois, will you tell me your match?
I am going to choose the big red triangle.
So friends, before we ask Miss Du Bois how it's a match, what do you think? Did she make a match or no? Some friends are saying no. Are you ready? It is a match. Miss Du Bois, why is it a match?
It is a match because they are the same size. They're both big shapes. Even though they're different colors, I chose a big shape.
So that was the attribute that Miss Du Bois wanted to match by. She wanted to match by size. So she said, Miss Eppin picked a big shape, so I will pick a big shape too. So that was a great one. Friends, let's see who else can find a match for my circle. Sunbright, you want to find a match?
A big square.
Big square. Were you thinking this blue one right here? All right, so before we ask Sunbright, what do you guys think? Is it a match? Sunbright, will you tell us why it's a match?
Because it's big.
Because it's big, so he did it off size too. He picked another big one. Is it also a match because it's the same color? So that's kind of like a double match. Great one. Jasmine, will you pick another one that matches with my circle?
This, the green one. The little one.
What color is it?
Yellow.
This one?
No.
This one?
No. It was up by the top.
This one?
By it. Yes.
Okay. So will you tell us how this is a match?
So it's little bit big. And it's little.
So yeah, compared to this rectangle right here, this is a big rectangle and this is a big circle. So that could be a match. Nice job. Let's have one more friend find a match for my circle and we'll pick a new shape. Let's see. Angelia, would you like to pick one?
The big yellow circle.
Okay, so will you tell us how is this a match?
Because it's the same size.
Same size and the same shape. So that's another double match. So it's a circle and the same size. Great job. Let's have somebody else pick a shape for us to start with. Let's see, Andrea, let's pick a shape for us to start with. Ooh, I see a yellow square. Do you want me to pick this red square or this yellow rectangle? Oop, we can't hear you, Andrea.
This one.
Can you describe it to me? What color is it?
Yellow.
Is it this one right here?
Yes.
Thank you. So we'll do the yellow rectangle, the big yellow rectangle. Now, can somebody find a match to Andrea's big yellow rectangle? Fairy Sinai?
The blue one.
The blue, what shape?
Me too.
Did you mean the
Me
blue
too.
rectangle? The blue rectangle. So will you tell us how that's a match, Fairy Sinai?
Because they're big.
Because they're big. This one's a little bit smaller, so it's a different size, but is it the same shape? It is the same shape, so that's a good match on shape. Junior, do you want to find one that matches? So you can find another yellow shape. Do you want to find a yellow shape, Junior? All right, we'll let Graciela have a turn. Graciela, do you want to find a match?
Yes.
Which one do you think matches?
That big circle.
What color is the big circle?
It's blue.
So how are
Blue.
these a match, Graciela?
Because one are small and one are big.
So this is a big rectangle and a big circle. So remember, a match is the same. So we like them as a match because they're both big. Nice job. Let's see who can find another match for us. Melanie? Oop, I can't hear you, Melanie. Will you say it a little louder?
The yellow circle.
Yellow circle. And how is that a match? Is it the same shape? No, but is it the same color?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the same color and also the same size. That's a great one. Let's find one more match to Andrea's rectangle. Let's see. Jasmine, you want to do our last one?
A red triangle.
Red triangle. And how is that a match, Jasmine?
It's big.
So it's the
And they're
same
big.
size. They're both big.
Not same.
Great job. We found a match because they're both big. Sunbright, do you want to give us one more?
Blue square.
A blue square. And why is that a match?
Because it's big.
Because they're big. Great. Remy, I see your hand raised. Do you want to give us one last one? Oh, that's a nice picture. All right, friends, so I want you to be able to play the game too. So I will go ahead and send this to your families, and you can find some matches of the shapes using our different attributes of shape,
Miss Eppen.
color, or thickness. Yes, Andrea?
You want to talk to Miss Eppen? Anna had this game.
I will send it to you on the computer.
Okay.
Okay. Fairy Sinai, do you have a question?
Yes.
What's your question?
Do we have to come on this day to school or no?
Will you say it one more time?
Do we have to come to school or no?
Do you have to come to school?
Yeah.
Not yet. We'll let you know when. I hope soon. Friends, Miss Du Bois and I have been working hard. I want to show you a sneak peek of our classroom. It's ready for you when you guys are coming, but we have to wait a little bit longer and then we'll be able to be here all together. But friends, I want you guys to find some matches at home. You could do the button matching again, or you could find some things in your house. Maybe you want to find all of the things that are soft, or all the things that are slimy, or a different attribute that you could find. So you just have to sort something today. So sort things in your home, sort your buttons, or you can play the game that we just played. I'll send it to your family right now. I see 2 more questions. Jasmine?
11. You will force him to go.
Oh, can you hear me now? Good. Thank you.
Miss Evan?
Let me know. Yes, honey. Is that Fairy Sinai that just said that? Okay, what's up?
What o'clock am I supposed to come?
We don't know yet, but I will tell you and make sure that you know, okay? So you're gonna stay home for a little longer, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning though. So we'll be back on tomorrow morning. Remy, do you have a question? Oh, those are some very nice pictures. Great job. All right, my friends. Well, I want to let you go ahead and get sorting, so I'm going to say goodbye. But great job today, mathematicians. I miss you. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you check out our reading and writing on Canvas today. Bye.
See ya.